Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a speed ramp in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. To begin, I have a video clip added to my timeline. First, we need to expand our video track so we can see the line running through it. Right-click the FX square in the top left corner of your clip. Hover over Time Remapping and select Speed. Next, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the line where you'd like your speed ramp to start. This will create a speed marker at that point. Then, drag the line after the marker up or down to set the final speed you want your ramp to eventually reach. I'm going to drag mine up to increase my clip speed. Now, the clip speeds up when it reaches the marker, but it does so instantly, not gradually. To create a ramp, drag the second half of the marker to the right. How far you drag the marker controls how quickly your speed change ramps up. To smooth out the ramp, select one of the halves of your marker to see a point with handles. If you're speeding up footage like me, drag the top handle to the right to create a curve, which will smooth out your speed ramp. To bring your clip back to regular speed, create a second marker by holding down the Control key and clicking on the line where you'd like to start slowing things down. After the marker, drag the line down to set it back to a lower speed, like 100%. To make the speed ramp down, drag the second half of the marker to the right. Smooth out the second ramp by dragging its top handle to the left. When you play this back, your clip speeds up, stays sped up for a bit, and then slows down to regular speed. A popular effect is to speed up and slow down your clip all at once by moving all your markers close together, then dragging the last part of the line further down to add slow motion instead of just bringing your clip back to normal speed. Remember, if you're using slow motion with lower frame rates, you'll need to add optical flow to your slowed down clips to smooth things out. Right-click your clip, go to Time Interpolation and select Optical Flow. Then, with your clip selected, go up to Sequence and select Render Selection. We're just rendering the selection because optical flow can be hard on your computer's hardware and we want it to play back smoothly in the preview. And there you have it. I now have a nice looking speed ramp effect, speeding up and then slowing down. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time.